Ready to elevate your outdoor living space? Home Sierra Services is here to help you create the perfect deck for your home in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Whether you want a cozy space for family gatherings or an expansive deck for entertaining guests, our team has the expertise to design and build the deck of your dreams. From the initial concept to the final installation, we ensure your deck is not only beautiful but built to last. At Home Sierra Services, we take pride in our craftsmanship and attention to detail. Our skilled team uses only the highest quality materials to ensure your deck is durable and able to withstand the elements. We work closely with you to customize your deck to fit your needs and preferences, offering a variety of styles, materials, and finishes to choose from. Our goal is to provide you with a seamless experience, from start to finish, so you can enjoy your new outdoor space without any hassle. Transform your backyard with a stunning deck from Home Sierra Services. Serving Spartanburg, South Carolina, we're dedicated to turning your outdoor space into a true extension of your home. Contact us today to schedule your consultation, and let's start building the deck you've always wanted. Your ideal outdoor living space is just a call away.